No matter where you are, taking a moment to ground into the body, letting your breath settle, and just creating the open space to get curious. Take a minute to feel that inner body aliveness, noticing where in your body you feel the hum of energy. Seeing if you can use that long extended exhale to create that sense of relaxation in the mind and body. So that we can really approach this inventory process from a space of being really open, really unguarded. So again, even if we've already spent some time exploring these inventories, just creating space today to allow new awareness to surface, to float up, trusting our higher power and our own highest self to know intuitively what we need to have brought into our awareness today. And just creating the space and willingness to see what's there. We'll spend about the next 8 to 10 minutes in this inventory process. Each time bringing a big inhale and exhale to clear space. And just open the mind and heart to any past experiences that still hold emotion for you. And if you're finding yourself getting pulled into your thinking mind, maybe just give a little embodied movement, maybe a tapping with the right hand on the right knee and then the left hand on the left knee. Just tapping back and forth. This cross-lateral movement can help us find that space in the brain to connect cross-laterally and work our way down into that subconscious. What past experiences still hold a negative charge for me? Still hold a strong sting of emotion. Then noting if this past experience touches into any of those places we're particularly looking at, and then recognizing what emotion is associated with this experience. And as I sit with it, where do I feel that emotion in my body? Breathing space, inhales and exhales. Noticing if any resistance comes up. Paying attention to the body. And when we find and feel that resistance, just breathing space into it. Now maybe moving into past traumas. What past traumas have I experienced? trusting the body, trusting the awareness that if an experience floats up, even if you don't fully understand why that experience might float up in this category of past traumas, just to write it down. Trust the body, trust the awareness. Again, noticing and noting the emotions that come up for you around this experience. And then noting, what did I internalize from this event or relationship? Was there a belief that I can name that I started believing at that time? It could sound something like, I'm not enough, I'm not safe, I can't trust people, I can't trust myself, I'm too much. What belief did you start to internalize from this event, this trauma? And now, with a deep breath in and an exhale, creating space around any relationships that feel stuck currently or that have felt stuck in the past. Relationships that you can recognize as being dysfunctional in some way. And then see if you can name and understand the role that you play in that relationship or played. And if there's any way you can recognize that you might be contributing to the situation, whether you're enabling, whether your own unresolved fears or traumas are being brought into the way you're reacting to this person or the way you're engaging in the relationship. Whether you're kind of the perpetrator or the manager, the victim, playing the role of the bad guy or the good guy. Deep breath in and out. Self-defeating behaviors. Noting when you tend to turn to this behavior. What you might be trying to accomplish through the behavior. And then really recognizing what outcome you typically experience when you get caught in this behavior. Taking as much time as you need to process everything that has come up in this short seated meditation. Of course, you always have the option to just stay in this space if there's a flow of insight happening. If you've opened that door to your subconscious, to stay as long as you like and allow this writing to be a tool for your healing and awareness. Carl Jung once said, "One does not become enlightened by imagining figures of light, but by making the darkness conscious. Taking a moment to really honor the courage it takes to bring that darkness into the light and look at it objectively. Thank you for taking the time to process. I encourage you to continue this inventory process through the week. Often when we open our awareness in this way, it takes time to marinate before clear answers can emerge. Let's pay attention this week and be ready to hear the inspiration we receive as we open our hearts to understanding our shadow. Namaste. You can click in the links below to find a free guide to offer you more resources on your path towards healing and wellness.